Perspectum is one of the world's leading medical imaging AI software as a service companies. When I was a medical student, your quality was often based on how much you could memorize. Now those lists go to thousands, so no human can memorize those lists. Therefore, we need to use computer vision and computer science to help us make the best decisions for our patients. That's where generative AI can be really helpful in the future. Perspectum has used medical physics and computer vision and structured learning to develop biomarkers to replace biopsies in patient care and in clinical trials. Perspectum analysed over 50,000 scans in the UK Biobank study on the AWS platform to demonstrate how liver imaging could replace liver biopsy. That's now scaling so that AWS and Perspectum together can, for example, deliver clinical-grade medical imaging into the Veterans Administration system in the United States. Perspectum delivers global imaging services for some of the largest clinical trials currently running. We do that on the AWS platform, and it enables us to run over 700 sites for a trial from anywhere from South Africa to the northernmost state in Canada. Perspectum aims to be the world's first profitable medical imaging AI software as a service company. If we achieve that, we will have replaced the need for painful and unsafe medical biopsies in a lot of patients.